We are at Rick's Upholstery again. That's his shop right there. We're in San Leandro, and he just fixed my soft top, and it works great now. We replaced it with Robin's top, and he noticed my seats over there, not too bad, but over here, oh my gosh. So he says there's an easy way to get these fixed, and he recommended leatherseats.com. And we went to leatherseats.com, and we got some samples there. So what should we do?
What we're going to do, instead of perforating these seats like they were originally, we're going to go with a solid piece because it lasts longer. So we found a piece that would match the doors. So we're going to do that material without the perforations, but still stick with the red center inserts and the black trim. That way they stand out really good. It'll look really good. It'll last a lot longer without the perforations than what it does. And the only thing I can suggest to you guys is when you have these leather seats, new or old, you need to condition them. On Amazon, they sell a product called Lexol, L-E-X-O-L conditioner, not the cleaner, and that will make them last a long time. You do it once a month, and they'll last forever.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yep.
I will find that, and I'll leave a link down below so people can find that product, because you can see how hard my leather is. It's like, I don't even know if it looks like, it feels like leather more. It feels like hard plastic to me.
Yeah.
But that's because I parked this out in the sun, and I never conditioned it since 2007, since I got the car. It's never been a garage clean. So
if you also put a windshield block when you do park it, that will help keep the UVs off the seats, and that's what dries them out.
Oh man, then I feel like those old geezers that always
do
but
I'll tell you what, those old geezers don't spend money on replacing them.
Okay, fair deal. Oh, one other question. So when I went to leatherseats.com, they have two options for me, other than the perforation, which we're probably going to go with the non-perforated because it's stronger and it's probably going to look better too. And the second option is, do I go
trim,
full leather or a little bit leather and vinyl?
Leather vinyl's less money and it's just as durable. That's what I'd recommend, because the part you sit on is what you want to be leather. The sides, they don't really even get touched, so why spend the extra money? That's my opinion. And I've only been doing this for a little over 50 years. Too long.
But what if I want exactly like the factory? How is the factory? Is the factory all leather?
No, they're not all leather.
Not?
A lot of the back and sides are vinyl.
Oh, how can you tell? Can you just tell by looking?
It's hard to tell.
But you know.
You have to be in the business for a couple years.
Okay, so we'll go with those swatches right there. We'll go with the red, and we'll go with the black with non-perforated, or red non-perforated and black with vinyl and leather mixture to save money.
That would
Plus,
be the best
it wouldn't
way.
make any sense to go all leather anyway, because the part you sit on, that's the leather part.
And that way you can just condition the centers. You don't have to condition the sides or the back.
Awesome. And so the seat cushions here, this one is pretty worn. That one's not too worn. Any thoughts on the conditions of the cushions?
The new seat covers come with a new piece of top foam.
Oh,
which
they
is
do.
What causes this. Because if you see the white part, the foam is below that, and above it is the foam for the covers. Because you have to have something to sew it into.
I see.
Yeah.
So it already comes with a little bit of foam. We should be good.
Just like that back there.
Oh, pink foam?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's a high density foam.
All right. So then you do this service, and we just get the seats from leatherseats.com, which are actually seat covers, and then we can take them out, we can put them on, and you do all the upholstery, stapling, make sure they're tight and straight and everything looks good, and it's going to look factory when you're done?
Except for no holes.
No holes, because we choose to have no holes.
Yeah.
And you talk about those holes or those holes?
Either.
Both holes. So we're not going to get any holes.
Right.
All right, Rick. Well, thank you for your awesome job on the top. Installing it at Robin's top looks fantastic. Like your instruction says, we're going to park it out in the sun for about 3 weeks. Make sure it's all stretched out and good. And then we can take it up and down, park it anywhere we want. But for now, keep it up, leave it there for 3 weeks. New top. It's going to be awesome. Then we're going to get new seats, and it's going to look like a brand new car again. Thanks a lot, Rick. All right, guys, if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. And get that Lexol product if you want to take care of your leather and you don't want them to end up like that. Anyway, guys, S2000 right here. This is a 2007 AP2 5 Mon in the Bay Area. We're signing out. See you guys on the road.